Thank you so much for joining PlanPost AI. PlanPost always try to help business owners to generate more sales and more engagement using our amazing tools. So today's video, I'll show you how to use our platform. Once you sign up, you have created a brand with very simple information like your brand name, logo, email, and phone number. I know you have done that, and now I'll show you how to use the dashboard. Once you land, you can see this particular window, and now I'll show you step by step. So the first thing is best way to move forward is to connect your social media. From left hand side you can see social media, click on it. For me, as you can see, my platform are connected. So to show you how to use it, I'll remove one and I'll show you the process. It's simple the way it works. For only complexity is Facebook and Instagram because both platforms are connected because that's owned by Meta. And if you want to connect Instagram, you have to connect Facebook. You don't need to connect Instagram in different way. So for that, if you click on connect, then it will take to the Facebook. So just take a look at the URL. It is not PlanPost AI URL, it is the URL of Facebook. So when you are giving access, you are not giving access to us, you are giving access to Facebook. You are permitting, you are saying Facebook that we are giving permission to PlanPost AI to schedule the content. That's it. So all your information and everything will be safe and secure. If you want, you can give access to all pages where you can choose specific pages, but I will highly suggest you to select all pages because then you can choose on which you post within our platform. So once you select all pages, click on continue. Then you have to give access to your Instagram account, then just save it and click on got it. Once you click on got it, then it will redirect it to the PlanPost AI, and through this API we'll get permission to publish content on your platform. So we are not getting any information, all your information will be saved. As you can see here, all the pages is linked here. The same way you can connect your X and LinkedIn. For saving time today, I'm not showing that. Once you connect your all social media platform, then you have to go to the brand. Under brand, you can connect your social media pages so that you can differentiate on which pages or which brand you are posting. Based on your package, you could have access to multiple brand or a single brand. For me, I have multiple brand, but I'll show you how you can connect your social media. To connect social media, click on edit. Then from here, you have to select the pages on which you want to post under this particular brand. If you have multiple brand, then for each cases, you can select that set of social media. And to make it better, you can fill up all this necessary information including your colors, your brand positionings and keyword. Once you are done, just click on upload and your brand will be created and social media will be connected. Once social media and brand is connected, you are ready to go to create the content. I can assure that without connecting this social media, still you can create the post, but the best way is to connect your social media and assign the social media pages under brand is the best practice. Now let's take a look how to create the content. So to create content, you have to click on generate post. Under generate post, you can create single content and I'll show how to create it. To do that, just click on generate with AI. Then you can see this dashboard. You just have to select a few options. First, select your brand. For me, there is a single brand, but for your case, there could have been multiple. So you can choose which one you want. Then you have to select the tone for the copy. For example, the caption, it used to be on social media. That's for writing what tone you want to use. Either it is inspirational, formal, informative, joyful. You can choose accordingly. Then you have to select the business category. You can choose the closest one. Always it can be here directly, but you can choose the closest one. Then you have to select the language. In terms of creating image, either you can upload your product image or you can generate through our AI. So if you want to generate, then you have to select the generate image. If you want to upload, you have to select upload image. For this case, I'm going with generate image. Here you will see two prompting option, one for text, for the caption, what kind of text you want. The best way is to give description of your services and features about the services. As detailed the prompt will be, our platform can create better content for you. So for here, PlanPost AI is the best AI based content gen platform which offer caption design and hashtags under 20 seconds only. Even they can share across platforms. Okay, so I give simple information. In terms of prompt for image, the prompt will be the way the image will look like. For example, I want to say a person designing image. So I'm on a person is designing image for me. So once you are done, and then you have to click on generate with AI. Once you hit the button, what our platform does, it takes all the information you provide under the brand in the prompt, and even all the information you selected when you choosing all these options, in terms of tone, language, and other thing. This information our platform use and generate content under 10 to 20 seconds only. And you can see our copy is not like ChatGPT copy. Focus on sales. Okay, so as you can see, it also give how it works, why they should use this platform, and finally a call to action. And you can see all the hashtag here. If you want, you can add. And one thing I want to mention, all the content you can change the way you want to look it. So for me, I'm doing a little bit editing here. You can also do that. You can also edit hashtag the way you want to put it. Just type it and click enter, it will be added. As you can see in the left hand side, it provide the image based on the prompt. A person is doing graphic design or designing image. If you want, you can zoom in for better positioning, or if you want, you don't need to. And you can see here is the caption within the graphics. So it not just generate the images, it design the graphics for you. Even all the content you can edit from here. So you can just select from 15 amazing design the one you want to post for your brand. So once you like, you can select that particular design, and you just have to click on download, where if you click on post to social, you can see all the platform you have connect with your brand. With one click, you can schedule across platform, you can post across platform, and even you can schedule the time or date you want to post or schedule. So that's simple. And you can share the amazing design and copy across the platform. For example, you want to change the color, just click on edit. If you want to change the color, let me show you. Once you change the color, it changes. If you want to change the color of text, that's also easy. You can change the color of the text. Once you're done, you are done. If you want to go back to the previous, just click on revert. The color will be go to original. If you click on save, it will save under project for future use. That's simple. With our generate post, you can generate single post under 20 seconds only. Even you can share across the platform. Now I will show you. For example, however, you want to create content for a month, what you have to do? Very simple. You have to click on bulk generation. Once you click on bulk generation, click on the button generate bulk with AI. Then you can see a different window. Here you can select how many posts you want to generate. For this example, I'll generate 5. Okay, and then you have to select the brand and a starting date and a date for end. Then you have to select the language on which you want to generate. For prompt, I'll give you suggestion to provide all the product information. If you have multiple product, if you have multiple features, just mention about multiple features so that you can work on all the product or all the features for different post. So for our platform, let's write plan post AI is the best content gen platform. It has 3 features: single gen, where it generate single post under 20 seconds only, with bulk users can generate month worth content, and they can share content across platforms with single click. Okay, so I give the information about the features. For your case, you will go about all the information so that it can understand how many product you have and what kind of features it have, and then just click on generate outline. Once you click on generate outline, it will create a content plan for you. So the first one, it focus on 20-second post generation, which is single post generation, and second post, it focus on month or content generation, and third one, it focus on content sharing, and fourth one, it focus on growing your business, how our platform can help, and the final on, it focus on sales, how our customers are happy, why you should buy it. So it actually amazingly create the outline, the way you should post for your brand. Then you have to select your image word you can generate with AI. So for example, I will generate some with AI and I will upload a few images. So for example, here let me upload a few images from my laptop. Okay, so maybe this one, and for the last one, let's upload another one. So let me upload this one. Once you upload your images or select generative AI, you can see when the post will be scheduled, an exact time of scheduling, and even you can change the sequence, or you can add or delete any one, or even in the middle you can add or delete according to your preferences. Once you are happy, you just have to click generate post. And so once you click on generate post, the same way it will analyze all the data from the outline, from your brand, and from the mother prompt you actually provided, and based on that it will analyze all the data to create amazing copies so that it focus on sales. It not just awareness copy, but most of the cases it focus on generating more sales, and it will also create the images based on the relevancy of the particular post. So this time, to generate image, you don't need to provide any prompt for the images. Our platform actually generate prompt for you, and as you can see, under 10 to 20 seconds it actually create the content for you. And as you can see, this time the design is different, the copy is different, and the writings within the graphics also different, and as you can see, the image according to the relevant post. Here is the copy Amazing. And finally, call to action. Let's take a look to the second one. Second one, the copy is absolutely different. Let's take a look. This one, revolutionize your content creation game with PlanPost AI. This one, struggling to keep up with your social media strategy. Start with a question so that it can grab attention from the target audience. Here is the hashtags. Here is the another image with name and a robot, and as you can see, design is also different. Every time you will get fresh design, so your audience keep engaged with your content. Let's take a look on third one. The copy is definitely different, and it also focus on elevate your content game with cutting edge sharing features. On sharing options, it focus on the social media images, and as you can see, the design always will be different for you, fresh for your audiences, so that you can generate more sales and you can engage with your target audiences. And fourth one, definitely copy will be different, image I have uploaded, and the design also the different. The same way you can also customize the design the way I did previously. The same way copy and everything is detailed, even you can change the text within the design and you can edit the template from here. I'll go back to my original one. The same way you can schedule, or because you are not posting because multiple posts, so it will be always be scheduled for future. For now I'm not going to schedule because this last two product is not for hours. And let's take a look our third tools, which is if you have a graphic designer or if you have a team, how you can share your existing content. To share your existing content, you have to share your existing content, you have to select the social post from left. It is absolutely free. You can select the platform you want to post, or you can deselect on which you don't want to post. Then you have to provide the copy you have.